Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips and tricks. In this video, we're taking a look at marleydrug.com, a comprehensive online pharmacy that seemingly offers a wide selection of health and wellness products. The provided URL, https://www.marleydrug.com/SRSLTID=AFM-9 5CIGR51VV7FE4 Sire 5PRIN3KV3AADMXJB5BFYLT Pure-OH directs us to the main page of the site. While the specific string of characters following the question mark likely represents tracking parameters for marketing analysis, it doesn't change the landing page we see. Navigating to the website reveals categories like prescription medications, over-the-counter remedies, and potentially even health and beauty supplies, depending on the inventory offered. This makes Marley Drug a potentially one-stop shop for a variety of health needs, allowing customers to conveniently manage and order their health essentials online. It's important to note that any online pharmacy should be thoroughly vetted for legitimacy and security before making any purchases. Always ensure the site displays proper security certificates and licensing information. Look for contact information and customer service options in case you encounter any issues. Furthermore, compare prices and verify any claims about discounts or special offers with other reputable providers. Doing your research is essential for ensuring a safe and positive online pharmacy experience. Be cautious of unsolicited pharmaceutical advertisements or unusually low prices, as these can be red flags for potentially fraudulent operations. With increased demand for convenient healthcare solutions, online pharmacies like Marley Drug have become increasingly popular, but remember to prioritize safety and due diligence when exploring such options. Always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new medication or treatment, even if it involves over-the-counter products. They can advise you on the proper usage, dosage, and potential interactions with other medications you may be taking. Staying informed and proactive about your health is crucial, especially when using online resources. So, while marleydrug.com offers a convenient platform, always proceed with caution and prioritize your health and safety above all else.